Howdy folks, it's Rob here with Hotsy. Today I want to talk to you about the new HD Plus line of cold water pressure washers. Let's talk about the HD Plus belt drive machine. It's Honda powered. You have options from 3 gallon a minute, 2700 PSI, up to 5 gallons a minute, 3000 PSI. It's on an all aluminum frame. Slider platform here for easy belt tensioning. It's got the unique power platform underneath it with the rubber shock mounts. You've got your choice of pump in these models with the Hotsy pump with the 7-year warranty, the general pump, or the AR pump. We're using the VRT3 unloader with a nice long bypass loop. We've got a very ergonomic shaped handle with a place to store the nozzles and a rubberized grip. Got a wand holder, comes with a 48-inch wand with side handle. Chemical injector is quick coupled, wand is all quick coupled at both ends. 50-foot non-marking gray hose, also quick coupled at both ends. Something else you'll notice here, both the engine and the pump have oil drain hoses, and it's got the big 13-inch solid tires. Folks, we've talked about the HD Plus belt drive. Now let's talk about the HD Plus direct drive models. They're all Honda powered. They all come on the all aluminum frame. You've got pressures ranging from 3 gallons a minute at 2700 PSI, up to 5 gallons a minute, 3000 PSI. On these HD Plus models, you have your choice of pump. You have the Hotsy pump with the 7-year warranty, or general pump, or AR pump. The HD Plus models have a unique power platform underneath with rubber shock mounts between the platform and the frame. You've also got the VRT3 unloader with an extra long bypass loop to keep the pump cool. The chemical injector is quick coupled, as is the 50-foot gray non-marking hose, and their trigger gun and wand with a 48-inch wand and side handle. The handle is a new ergonomic style with nozzle storage and a rubberized grip. The engine and pump both have oil drain hoses, and they come with 13-inch run-flat tires. So folks, that about wraps it up for the HD Plus series of pressure washers from Hotsy. Great value for the money. Give them a try. I think you'll like them.